Today we're making a fresh, protein-packed Portuguese classic that's perfect any time of the year. This tuna black-eyed pea salad is light, colorful, and incredibly satisfying. It's simple, wholesome, and ready in minutes. Let's get started. Black-eyed pea salad. 3 cans of tuna drained. 2 cans of cooked black-eyed peas drained and rinsed. 1 pack of cherry tomatoes. 3 boiled eggs. 1/4 red bell pepper chopped. 1/4 red onion chopped. Juice of half a lemon. Olive oil to taste. Fresh parsley chopped. Black olives. Salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, combine the red pepper, cherry tomatoes, black-eyed peas, chopped parsley, chopped onion, and drained tuna. Drizzle generously with olive oil and add the lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper. Mix well. Garnish with boiled eggs cut into wedges and black olives before serving. And there you have it, a fresh, vibrant Portuguese tuna and black-eyed pea salad. Perfect for lunch, picnics, or a light dinner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Faça e coma! Gently break the tuna into chunks instead of shredding it too much for better texture. Let the salad rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving to enhance the flavors.